if you want to make skill descriptions and have them be more interesting than just a couple of lines of text, and maybe you want to have some color in there, right? You can actually do that quite simply, and you could also do something like advanced skill descriptions that pop up maybe when you hold the Alt key or something, and then it shows you more about the skill. First of all, you need to have a string, for example, this lightning strike, and then you have to realize that every single one of these characters is a quad on the screen, and you can choose which color each one of these letters will have. You can then determine certain control characters to change the color of the text. And in my case, I used the brace, for example. And the way this could work is you're going to loop through the text, character by character. And then whenever you are encountering your, in my case, it's the brace, your character to determine whether to change the color, you can follow it up by a single letter indicator. And then you change the color for this one quad and all the following quads to the color that you defined. In order to change the color back to the original color in which the text was drawn, you need to have either the same qualifier or a closing qualifier. In my case, that is a closing brace. But you could use the opening brace too. That is step number 1. Let's say you want to add in this advanced description as well, which basically states, well, how much physical damage is actually being put into the tag. For example, in Ice Shot right here, I deal 101 cold damage, and then that is 180% of my original attack. And it only shows sometimes for some people that want to know exactly what it does. That's what you can display if you want to. And so the way you could do that is you still have the entire string and you include another one of these qualifiers. In my case, it's a pipe. And in between, you put whatever you want to put as an advanced description. So whenever you're using this string, you will, and I use sprintf, it doesn't matter what you use. You just have to fill in certain data into the string. In this case, it's damage and then how much attack is actually being used. If you want to display that advanced description, you just don't do anything. You just make sure that the pipe operator is ignored. And if you want to not display this advanced description, first of all, you need to check, do I really need to ignore this character? And then you find the open position and you find the close position. So in this case, that would be the position right here where the opening brace is, or the opening pipe, and where the closing pipe is. And if you find a closing pipe, you then go ahead and copy everything that comes after the closing pipe into the location of the opening pipe, effectively overwriting the opening pipe. If you don't find the closing pipe, you just ignore everything that comes at and after the opening pipe. And that's how you could do very simple advanced skill description with different colors. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.